going to show you some really unclear feature in Figma which took me really long time to figure out and wasted my time. I think Figma should work on that. So the first one is I was working on a big file and I was having this polygon shape. So what it happened is I was trying to resize my whole canvas but a whole frame, but suddenly this appearance shows me this because this frame is not related to any polygon, but it is showing it here and it is not making sense, like showing only a tooltip which say count. So it was a big file, the polygon was very small. So later I figure out like I have a polygon shape here, then yeah, that was for that. So showing that is really not make sense for me. And the next one is when you click on it, the frame, and I was trying to play it as a prototype, so it is showing me a full size, but when I expand it, so it is showing me a cropped size. So that was literally frustrating for me. I was not aware where is that, like that size. I tried shift space, but yeah, it was working fine. And then in the prototype also I don't see any settings. Then I figure out uh, after a long time I figure out like this is the prototype setting where I have accidentally set custom size instead of none. So that was the mistake here. But yeah, that's a hidden Figma feature which is very unclear. And the third one is the when you are in the prototype mode and suppose you have long list of flows and you are here, right? So now your number 5 prototype is hidden here and you don't know about this is scrollable or not. But yeah, really bad thing here. So it happened a lot to me. So I missed, like suppose I have 5 flows here and I'm like really aware like I have 5 flows, but now you see I can see only 3. So that's a again heading hidden. So it could be something can be done here so that it will not be a scrollable, or rather it will have a full sidebar scroll. That will make sense for Figma. That's it. Thank you guys. I hope Figma will work on these features.